Hello friend, good morning. Today we discuss the syllabus of advanced accountancy. This subject is for become third year syllabus, semester 4th, CBCS pattern. The name advanced accounting first. In this subject, the first unit, accounting standards. This chapter is totally theoretical chapter. We studied in this chapter introduction, significance, scope of accounting standards, accounting standard board, procedure of issuing accounting standards, Indian accounting standards, international accounting standards. These points are studied in this chapter. So totally theoretical chapter. Then second unit, that is hotel business accounting. This unit is new for us or you. In this unit, we studied meaning, importance of hotel business accounting, preparation of final accounts of hotel business. This chapter is totally numerical chapter. Then next unit, unit third, underwriting of shares and debentures. This chapter is also numerical chapter. In this chapter, we studied basic concept of underwriting of shares and debentures, underwriting commission, preparation of underwriter's account. This is numerical problem. Fourth unit, that is branch accounting. This chapter is also numerical. In this chapter, we studied introduction, meaning of branch account, type of branches, preparation of branch accounts as per data system and stock and data system only. Only two methods we studied in this chapter, and totally this chapter will be studied in numerical, means problem given to you. And last unit, agricultural accounting, unit 4. It is related to us because we are live in rural area, and agriculture is very near to us. So agriculture accounting is a very new concept which are in accounting. In this chapter, we studied introduction, meaning, importance of agriculture accounting, preparation of agriculture accounting, problems on farm accounting. This chapter is also a numerical chapter. So in fifth units, this subject is covered in fifth sem. For this subject, the books are recommended to you: Advanced Accountancy, the S.N. Maheshwari's book, Advanced Accountancy, volume first, second. The author is Mr. Hanif and Mukherjee. Tata McGraw Hill Publishing Company Limited is publisher. Third one is Accountancy, H.R. Kotlar, very important book of H.R. Kotlar's book, which is Discovery Publication, Latur. Advanced Accountancy, volume first, R.S.N. Pilani, Bhagwati, S. Uma S. Chand publication. Fifth one is Advanced Accounting, C.A. Raj K. Agrawal, Sahitya Bhavan publication, Agra. Sixth one is Company Accounts and Auditing Practices, and last one is Corporate Accounting, which is written by Dr. P.C. Tulsian, C.A. Bharat Tulsian. So in these books, the syllabus will be covered. So thank you friends, stay home, stay safe. If any problem of this subject syllabus, so ask me. My mobile number is given on slide, 9881480582. The email is also given to you, sukeshdemre@gmail.com. So best of luck. Thank you.